I want to thank the Friends of the Oakhurst Branch Library for sponsoring this Christmas card video for the library community. The Oakhurst Branch Library has made art packets with the supplies you will need to make the cards in this video. Supplies are available while they last. Call the Oakhurst Library at 559-683-4838 for more information. We are going to use origami to make these two beautiful Christmas cards. So let's get started. We're going to make our Santa Christmas card. It will be helpful to gather our supplies together before we start. Let's take a look at what those supplies are. So we need our large red square, our green card, the 2 strips of paper, red and white, a pair of googly eyes, the cotton pom-pom, a pencil and pen, a pink or red colored pencil, a glue stick, and the paper towel. All we need to fold Santa's body is a large square of red origami paper. Place your paper white side up, and we're going to fold a diagonal down the center of the paper. We'll do that by bringing the bottom corner up to the top, hold it at the top while you come down and crease out to each edge. Open your paper, and we're going to fold our 2 sides along the center crease. So we'll take the right-hand side, we'll be making a sharp point at the bottom, bring it along the center crease, and crease that side in. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Bring the left side in along the center crease. We'll have a sharp point at the bottom and crease that side in. We'll leave our 2 sides folded in. Now we're going to fold our top point down where it touches the other red, right in the middle, and crease this in. Now we're going to take the bottom of our red triangle here, and we're going to fold it up. But we're not going to bring it all the way up. We're going to bring it up a little ways. There's going to be 2 red triangles formed on the side, and it's not an exact fold. Just try to get it to look something like this. Now we're going to fold the triangle we've just created, and we're going to fold it back behind the other piece, bring it down, and crease that along. So we have a horizontal strip here with the red triangles. On the back, we've just folded the excess behind. Our next step is going to bring the very bottom of our paper up past the top. And how far are we going to bring it? Well, we want it to, it's going to form a triangle at the top, and we want the red to come out right along the horizontal white strip. So try to have your edge matching the width of the strip at the top. Then come down and crease along the bottom. Now we have 2 corners at the bottom, and we want to soften these edges a little bit. We're going to do that by making a small triangle that goes behind. So I'm going to turn my paper over and make a small triangle. And again, this isn't an exact fold. Just try to have the 2 sides equal, and let's turn it over and see. So now we've softened the edges at the bottom. Now we're going to fold the excess paper at the side behind. Our crease is going to go right along here and right along here. We have a little bit of help where to make it though. If you look behind, we have a very large triangle here, and we're folding the extra paper right back along this large triangle. And on the other side, the same thing. We're folding the extra paper along the large triangle. Let's turn it over, and we're almost finished with our Santa. The only thing remaining is to fold the center back into a triangle. And this is not going to be an exact fold. You want the bottom to be going horizontally, and just make the fold where you think it should be. Now we're finished folding our Santa. You could place the Santa on your card just like this, but we can also decorate him and put a face on him. Okay, let's place our eyes on Santa first. So I'm going to take a look and see about where I want them to be. And I think that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to take my glue and glue my eyes. Put them lightly back on the paper. And then you can adjust them. When you get them where you want them, press down firmly. Now let's take our pencil and draw in some of Santa's features. So we want to use our pencil first, so if we make a mistake or decide we want to change something, we're able to do that easily. So let's give him some eyebrows, a little nose, and a mouth. And when you have when you've drawn on it in pencil and you're satisfied with it, we can go over it with ink. I have a Sharpie fine point. It works nicely, but any ink pen will do. So I'm going over his features now with ink. If you have a colored pencil, we can color in his mouth red, give him some rosy cheeks. And now we're finished with our Santa and ready to glue him on the card. Okay, now let's glue Santa to the card. And before I glue him to the card, though, I want to glue these flaps in a little bit. And now let's put glue all around the edges of Santa. And also in the middle. Arrange him where we want. If you want to tilt him, put him straight. And when you have him where you want him, press down firmly. And now let's add a pom-pom to Santa's hat. So let's put some glue on the pom-pom. And we'll place that right at the top of Santa's hat. And the last thing we need to do is glue our strips on. This is where your paper towel is going to come in handy. Your glue stick is going to go over the edges of your strip. So I want something underneath that I can throw away. So let's glue this on one side, attach it to our red strip. And again, you can put it down the middle, put it off center toward one side or the other. When you get it where you want it, just press down. And now let's glue the back of our red strip. And we'll apply this to our card. Press down. And now we have our Santa card finished. The origami Christmas tree. Take out the 4 green squares from your packet. We will be folding all 4 squares the same way. Let's start with the largest piece. We're going to be folding this square and a horizontal and a vertical crease. So to fold the horizontal crease, We're going to bring the bottom point up to the top, put our finger on that point, come down and crease across firmly. Open it up, and we're going to do the same thing again. Bring the bottom point up to the top, hold in place, come down, crease across. Open up again, and you'll see the vertical and the horizontal creases that we've made. Now we're going to do 2 diagonal creases, but we need to be sure and turn the paper over. We're going to turn the paper so it points at us to make the first diagonal crease. Bring the bottom point right up to the top. When you get it in place, hold it down with one finger, come down and crease across both sides with the other. Open it up, rotate it to the next point, and we're going to bring the bottom point up to the top, hold it in place while we crease out to both ends. Now we're not going to unfold this time, but grab the paper by the 2 points. Now watch what happens as we bring our fingers toward each other. We have 2 more triangles that appear. We're going to bring one triangle over to one side, the other triangle to the other side, lay it flat, and crease down along both sides and the middle. Now the last thing we're going to do is fold the edge along the center crease. And we're going to bring that edge over, and it makes a sharp point at the top, and fold it down along that center crease. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. We're using the top flap only, but we're going to bring this edge along the center. We'll fold it also along that center edge, and they will come together like this. Now we've made one piece of the 4 we're going to need. We're going to fold them all the same way. We've made all 4 of our pieces that we need for the Christmas card. Now, let's get our Christmas card, the red and white strips of paper, and our glue stick, and we're going to start putting our Christmas card together. Now, before you glue, it's a good idea to place your Christmas tree sections, put one just inside the other, place them on your Christmas card loosely to make sure that you don't go off the edge, that you're down far enough that you're not going to go off the bottom, and get them in the position you want. Then make a small pencil mark where you want to start, and then glue the first piece. Lay it down, press on the edges for just a few seconds. Then we'll take our next piece, glue the back, place it just inside the first piece. Hold down the sides, hold down the piece just for a few seconds again, and take your third piece, glue the back, place it just inside the second piece, glue it down, and your last piece. Glue the back, place it just inside your third piece. Now take your white strip, glue the back of the white strip, and press down on the piece of red. Then glue the red strip and place it toward the left-hand side of the card and press down for a few seconds. And there we have our Christmas tree origami Christmas card.